In this video, we break down the best dash cams on the market this year. Today, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 dash cams on Amazon this year. And the links to all the dash cams mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Hey, if this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos just like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. THINKWARE F800 Pro. If you want the dash cam, which looks like it was fitted to your car in the factory, the THINKWARE F800 Pro is for you. It is designed to fit snugly up against the top of your windscreen, behind the rearview mirror, and neatly out of the way. The Pro model can also be hardwired to your car's battery, meaning it will boot up when you turn the key, continue recording while parked, and leave your car's 12-volt socket free for other uses, like charging your phone. There is also an enhanced night vision setting to improve low-light videos, speed camera alerts, and the option to fit a rear-facing camera too. There's no touchscreen, which could be seen as a negative, but Wi-Fi means it's easy enough to connect the camera to your smartphone to view recordings and alter the settings. Number 4. GARMIN Dash Cam Mini. A new member of the GARMIN Dash Cam family, the Mini records 1080 full HD video through a 140-degree lens and measures just 3.1 by 5.3 by 2.9 centimeters, roughly the size of a small car key. Truly a set-it-and-forget-it device, the GARMIN Dash Cam Mini is designed to tuck neatly and subtly behind the rearview mirror, and once either plugged into the lighter socket or hardwire into the car's fuse box, will boot up when you turn the ignition and record when it detects a collision. If hardwired, it will also remain alert while parked, then record if someone drives into your vehicle. There is no display, so no distraction for the driver, and no internal battery. But the compact size and simplicity more than make up for this. A Wi-Fi connection to the Garmin Drive phone app makes it easy to download saved footage from the camera when you need it. Philips ADR820. A Wi-Fi connection means you can stream live video from the cameras to your smartphone and set everything up via the app, iOS and Android, instead of reaching for the camera itself. Recording starts automatically when the camera is plugged into your car's 12-volt lighter socket, and a G sensor automatically saves the last 3 minutes when a collision is detected. This Philips is more compact than some dash cams, but misses out on GPS unless you buy a special windscreen suction cup. Also, on the optional extras list is a rear-facing camera, which works in the same way and records footage if someone crashes into you from behind. Very little internal storage means you'll need to provide your own SD card. Number 2. NEXTBASE 612 GW. Claimed to be the world's first 4K dash cam, the NEXTBASE 612 GW produces market-leading video footage and is controlled via a large 3-inch touchscreen. HDR video is shot using a Sony Exmor R CMOS sensor, and GPS logging means you can view your journeys and any incidents on Google Maps. Parking mode automatically records a 2-minute video when movement is detected while your car is parked. An internal battery powers this, meaning you don't have to leave the camera plugged in while your car isn't in use. However, when driving, the battery is rated for just 15 minutes of use, so plugging in will be necessary for almost every journey. This is also one of the larger dash cams on the market, which could either serve as a distraction while driving or make itself attractive to thieves. Number 1. GARMIN Dash Cam 66W. The new GARMIN Dash Cam 66W is the replacement for our favorite dash cam from the last year, the GARMIN 55. The new model retains its predecessor's compact size and ease of use, but increases the field of view from 122 degrees to 180 degrees, giving a far broader view of the front of your car and the road ahead. Also new is HDR, High Dynamic Range video recording, to help retain detail in high contrast lighting, while the Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone and the free Garmin Drive app means you can connect up to 4 cameras at once and synchronize the video they shoot, giving a 360-degree view around your car. Battery life is just 30 minutes without plugging into your car's light socket, and if you opt for the hardwired professional install, the camera or cameras will stay on when parked, then record if somebody carelessly bumps into your car while parking or driving past. And a bonus option, the Motorola MDC150. This dash cam from Motorola undercuts most of its rivals, yet still offers 1080p full HD video recording, a 2.0-inch display, compact design, and night vision. No memory card is included, which is a shame, but these are relatively inexpensive, and dash cams do not require particularly large capacity cards due to recording footage on a loop. On the upside, the Motorola MDC150 costs just under 50 pounds, yet has an attractive and subtle design which shouldn't attract too much attention to itself. The camera constantly records on a loop, then saves a block of footage when the G sensor detects a collision. There's also a night vision function, and the lens offers a decent viewing angle of 150 degrees. Our only real criticism is the widescreen suction mount, which is larger than the magnetic mounts used by rivals like Garmin. Thanks for watching. You can also join our giveaway and stand a chance to win gadgets like headsets, projectors, and other cool gadgets from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comment below adding the hashtag tech. The winners will be announced on the first of every month in our community feed on YouTube, and we'll also contact winners directly through the comment they left.